Hello students, now we have to know about the second kinds of functional group, second example for the functional group, that is alcohol. Yesterday I taught you the haloalkanes. Now we have to know about the alcohols group of hydrocarbon. So here the function one hydrogen atom. In a haloalkenes, hydrogen atom is replaced with one hydrogen atom is replaced with a chlorine or a bromine. In a alcohols group, one hydrogen atom is replaced with a hydroxyl group. I mean OH. Okay, so that is OH is called as the hydroxyl group. That means if you have taken a methane, that is the CH one hydrogen atom will be reduced, that is CH3, and OH in the sense it will, okay, one hydrogen atom is replaced with a OH. So how we can call this? This is called, as I told you already, methane. So this having a suffix actually, so we want to call for this is a methane. We want to give a name for this is nothing but methanol, methanol. Okay, keep in mind the suffix, I mean alcohol ends with the ol. Okay, there haloalkane starts with a chlorine and a bromine. Here alcohol ends with a ol, I mean methanol. If you are taken a propane, it should be propanol. If you are taken a ethane, it should be ethanol. But finally not al, it is al, one more is there, there is a ol. Keep concentration on this, the spelling methanol, methanol. Okay, so let's write the structural formula for this. We are giving a name for this is a methanol. If we are going to write the structural formula, the same it is. Around the carbon atom there will be the 4 bond. So in 3 place you should write the hydrogen, and in 1 place you should write the hydroxyl group, I mean OH. Okay, this is the structural formula of methanol. In the same way, if you are taken an example for pentane, okay, so pentane in the sense it's become, I told no, it ends with ol, it's become a pentanol. Okay, pentanol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, hexanol, pentanol, heptanol, like that it will come. Okay, pentane in the sense it is a C5 molecular formula, C5, and 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Hydrogen atoms are 12. We have to take one less hydrogen atom, that is 11, and one more hydrogen atom is replaced with the OH. So this is about the pentanol, and its structural formula will be, so as usual how we are writing the structural formula for the pentane, write like that. Carbon atom 5 are there, between that there will be the single bond, and here around this 4 bonds there are already one is there, remaining 3. Here 2 are there, remaining 2. Here also 2 are there, remaining 2, and here 2, it will become 4. Okay, here 1 is there, remaining 3. But everywhere it should be the hydrogen compulsory, and but one sphere in the sense in one place there will be the OH, I mean hydrogen atom is replaced with the OH. So this is the structural formula of pentanol. Keep in mind. So like that you can write for the, you have to try to write for the what hexanol, heptanol, like that. Okay, hope you will understand this. So I'll this is about the alcohol. Okay, alcohols group of functional groups. Sometimes they, I told no, sometimes they are giving a just this structural formula. If they are giving like that, you have to count this, count the what so one example in examination may they are giving just like that. Okay, so they are asked you to find which is the, write the structural formula and the name of the functional group or name of the hydrocarbon. This is also called as a hydrocarbon. So if they are asking like that, you should write how many carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4. If the carbon atoms 4 are there, that nothing but the butane, I mean but, so it ends with a OH, so you should give a name, it is a butanol. So that molecular formula is C4H. Butane is H. Here also you can count 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9, and 1 will be replaced with the OH, or C4 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2 10. Okay, 9 and OH. So this is the molecular formula of butanol. So like that you can write. You have, however they has to ask you, but you should be ready to write everything. Okay, so this is about the butanol. So alcohols group of hydrocarbon. Next we have to take the another functional group, that is the aldehydes group of hydrocarbon. These are the called as aldehydes. Aldehydes in the sense the what functional group should be, the aldehydes functional groups will be double bond O or carbon, so the last it is the carbon atom, it should be there compulsory, but ends with double bond O. I mean one carbon atom ends with the double bond O. That is very important. That is called as the aldehydes. That is called as aldehydes. It ends with what? Double bond O. Okay, keep in mind that is a double bond O. So next we have to write the name for this. Let us take ethane now. Methane we took already for the haloalkanes and the alcohols. We have to take the ethane in the sense, and it is ends with aldehydes. Alcohol is ends with the OL, no? So in the same way aldehydes is ends with AL. Okay, so if you are taken it is OL, this thing only, the difference what I told you to remember. Alcohol the names will ends with the OL, aldehydes the names will be ends with AL. Only the difference is this thing only. If you are writing like that, this is O, and if you are writing like that, this is A. So keep in mind this. Okay, and concentrate on a spellings. Okay, if you are concentrating on a spellings, then you can write which is alcohol and which is aldehydes. Okay, then you can write which is alcohol and which is aldehydes. That's why I am telling you have to concentrate on the spelling. Okay, if OL is there, that is the alcohols group of hydrocarbon. If AL is there, that is the aldehydes group of hydrocarbon. Okay, so next we have to write the, I told the it is ends with a double bond O. That is very important. So let's write the one ethanol in the sense C, that is C2 it is ethane. H is 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, C2H5, and double bond O, it is double bond O. C2H5 O, double bond O is the what molecular formula of ethanol. Let's write the structural formula. C, carbon atoms 2. Okay, next between a carbon atom there will be the single bond, so around this there will be the double bond, and here I told you, no, it ends with a double bond O. So next here already 3 is there, we have to take O. So sorry, here double bond is there, no, so you should take, it is a C2H4, not H5 it is. So C2H4, because here already 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, it is enough, it is, and here carbon atom 4. Okay, so from the structural formula we can guess easily the molecular formula of ethanol. Keep in mind. So because it is ends with a double bond O. Okay, so then write hydrogen atom. So this is the structural formula of ethanol, and this is the molecular formula of ethanol. Okay, so double bond is there, that's why it is 4. It will become a 4 because here oxygen needed 2 electrons, and it shared the 2 electrons with the hydrogen, and hydrogen donates the 2 electrons. That's why it forms the double bond, because electronic configuration, its maximum electron to be filled in a last orbit is 4. It needs a 2 electron to fulfill that. Okay, for that sake. Okay, next let us take a one more example if you are having a confusion. So let's take the propanol. Ethanol after the carbon atom 3, it is propanol. This thing only I told you. The A is very important here O, and it is AL. So propanol in the sense C3 it is H should be 3 2s are 6 plus 2 is 8. So here we have to double bond O is there, so that's why I want to reduce the 2 hydrogen atom. So that is C3, it is C3H6. So let us write the molecular formula for the this is the molecular formula of the propanol. Let us write the structural formula. Carbon atom 3 are there, write 3 carbon atom, between that there will be the single bond, and write the functional group, there will be the double bond, it is. Okay, double bond O. Then there is around this 4, 1 2 3 4, around this already 2 is there, remaining 2. Around this count the bonds, 1 2 3 is there, remaining 1 is enough. 1 is enough. Write the hydrogen atom in that place. See, you got H6 double bond O is the propanol structural formula. In this you have to keep concentrating because there will be the double bond. So that's why we want to reduce the two hydrogen atoms. That thing we have to keep in mind. Otherwise we will not get able to form a one compounds like that. Okay, so that is 2 plus 2 4 always. If you are not keeping one more hydrogen atom, it's not good, because around the carbon atom four valency electrons are there. Only the four valency electrons can share each other. Okay, for that sake. So in the same way, one more example I'll give you. Let us take the hexanol, Hexanal, not OL, hexanol. Hexanol in the sense molecular formula. So hexanol means carbon atom 6. Okay, in the name only you want to guess how many carbon atoms we want to take, how much we want to write. That thing we how to guess in a name only. Hexane, if it is there, carbon atom 6, and H will be 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 2 14. It will become 2 hydrogen atom want to reduce because due to double bond. So C6H12 it is. Okay, C6H12 double bond O is the structure molecular formula of hexanol. So let us write the structural formula for this. How many carbon atoms are there? You can check this. Carbon atom 6 are there. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and between the carbon atom there will be the single bond. Write the single bond between that. Then after around the carbon atom you want to write the 4 bonds actually. So 1 2 3 4. This should be very careful actually, because carbon is sharing only the 4 electrons. So here already 2 is there, remaining 2. Here already 2 is there, remaining 2. Here 1 is there, remaining double bond you have to write, double bond O. Next 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. Enough it is. And in other place you should write hydrogen. So you can get now the structural formula of hexanol. Okay, hexanol, and you can count. Hydrogen atom should be 12. 3 plus 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and double bond O. This is the way of writing the molecular formula and structural formula of alcohols group and the aldehydes group. So in the same way you can try for the continue, and should be careful. So if there is a double bond O, one hydrogen atom want to reduce. The remaining thing is as usual. Okay, hope you will understand this. Even sometimes if they are giving like that only, you can guess in this only. If double bond O is there, that is nothing but the aldehydes group. So that ends with the hexanol. Okay, if double bond, it is very easy to count the carbon atom. 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atom. Double bond O is there, nothing but the hexanol, like that. Here 1 2 3 4 5 carbon atoms are there, and OH group is there. If OH group is there, that is alcohol, nothing but it is a pentanol. Like that we can guess. Okay, you should be ready. However they has to ask, you should be ready to write. Okay, and it is very easy also if you are understanding well, like the carbon and its compounds lesson, that much easy. No one lesson is there in a chemistry. Hope you will understand this. Thank you.